Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. Zig Ziglar.
You want me to bring this molasses in a spoon? Wait.
You'll find out.
Wait. Dad, this thing is showing the opposite. When I hold it in this hand, it looks like it's over there.
This is called a mirror image.
Daddy,
What?
we haven't got seeds. We don't have seeds. I've got what we need.
Okay.
Do with it then.
First, you want to fill those
Daddy?
pots with soil.
Oh.
You know, like halfway up.
Okay. Go, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. Remember those seeds? Remember the watermelon seeds? Get off.
Mm-hmm. I remember them.
Seed.
Okay.
Is that, we gotta take some dirt out.
Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. Now, let's
I got a plan.
move. No, Seth. That's it. Abigail, that's it.
I'm gonna bury mine. Here.
Put the lid back on. Put the lid back on.
Put the lid back on.
1,
I'm gonna squish your head.
2.
Dad, do you want it? I bet my sister would like a new Elsa dress that comes with a wig. Oh, that's a braid already on it. It goes over your head.
Okay.
No,
We're not doing Elsa whatever.
it's the new edition.
I don't need a new edition.
But it's got the new edition with the one that. Remember
Okay.
the series 2?
Bring those pots over to the.
Are
Yeah.
we planting molasses?
We aren't planting molasses.
What are we doing with the molasses anyway?
Well, I had somebody tell me that if you put like a teaspoon of molasses in
But this
with
is
your
not
plant. What?
This is not a teaspoon.
Well, I know, but you can get a part of that and put it in there. But we're going to only do it on one of those pots.
There you go. Okay. And do I do this?
You're going to do it in a minute. Not yet.
How long is a minute?
It's going to be after we plant some tomatoes.
We're going to plant some tomatoes. Can't wait. Back up. Ouch. Ouch. I might need something to support it. Very bad, Abigail. Very bad, Abigail. Ouch. Bad. Oh.
Okay. Now, where's the other one?
This one I want to put molasses in.
Okay, you put the molasses in that one.
Can you open this jar? Then you pour some in here.
Okay, here.
You pour the whole thing. That molasses smells good. That's coming out slow.
Yeah. Have you ever heard the phrase, slow as molasses in January?
Yeah. Wait.
Well, this is March and it's still going slow. Okay. You just let it drizzle. We're gonna come back in a couple of days and see how this goes. See if what I was told was really good. That these will be good for the plants. Don't forget, the one on the left does not have the molasses on it. The one on the right does. Anyway, that's our 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.
Yeah. Now what else planting are we going to do today?
We're not going to do any more planting because we're out of time.